Welcome! In front of me I have Redmi Watch 5 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. And then you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called the sounds and vibration, and once you find it, tap on it to enter. Here, scroll down, and as you can see, we have the ring, alarm, and that's about it. We have two types of volume. We have ring and alarm, but they are grayed out at the moment because the silent mode is enabled. So we need to disable the silent mode first, then we can scroll down, and now we can adjust the sound volumes for the ring and the alarm. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.